welcome back to my channel. I am back with yet another new video and this is about Navami special makeup look. So सबसे पहले skin prep के साथ मैं start कर रही हूँ. I'm using a toner from Lakme Absolute and giving it a good massage so that ये अच्छे से soak हो जाए. उसके बाद मैं यहाँ पे एक facial oil use करूँगी which is from OC Plus and will give it a good massage and wait for it to soak. मैं Borolin use कर रही हूँ for my lips which keeps my lips hydrated. अब मैं एक Lakme Absolute का concealer use कर रही हूँ as my eyeshadow primer. मैं slow down करने वाली हूँ for the eye makeup because this will help you guys to understand the step by step process to achieve this look. I'm taking this lighter shade brown color as a transition shade for my eyeshadow. मैं एक gel eyeliner use कर रही हूँ and I will place it in the outer and the inner corner of my eyelid. Sorry guys, क्योंकि ये सब कुछ अच्छे से blend करने वाले हैं and उसके बाद मैं एक powdered black eyeshadow which is from Wet n Wild ले रही हूँ and then I will place it over the gel eyeliner and blend it well. Small blending brush ले रही हूँ और उसके बाद I'll take the powdered eyeshadow and blend the edges of my eyeshadow. To give a smoky look, मैं इसमें एक brown and cherry red color use कर रही हूँ and blend the edges of my eyeshadow. Blending is the key. Blend it as much as you can to get that flawless look. And then taking the transition color again, I am blending the outer edges. मैं एक blue साड़ी पहन रही हूँ, so I am taking the blue color and placing it on the middle of the eyelid. इसके बाद इसके भी edges को अच्छे से blend करने के लिए I am taking that cherry red color and just blending the edges. As it is Love Me makeup look and I want it to be a little bold, so I am using some glitter eyeshadow on it. Off camera मैं अभी अपने दूसरे eyes में भी same eyeshadow apply कर लूँगी. इसके बाद मैं एक lighter blue shade glitter लेके eyelid के ऊपर place करूँगी. I don't want much of that, but a little lighter shade will enhance the look. Now finishing the look with some highlighter on the brow bone. Now coming to the eyebrow, I'm using e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. I love pencils because these are very convenient and very easy to use. Combing the eyebrow up and down and filling in this sparse area is what you have to do. Just be within the shape of your eyebrows. For the sake of the video, I'm skipping the primer for my face today. Coming my face, सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पे एक peach color corrector use कर रही हूँ to neutralize some pigmented areas in my face, and with a damp sponge I will blend it off. Loose powder use कर रही हूँ, very little quantity of loose powder to set this so that it does not mix with the foundation. Coming to the foundation, my very favorite and the only foundation I use, that is L'Oreal Infallible, because मैंने बहुत सारे foundation use किए and this is something which is really very good to my skin. एक pure beige concealer use कर रही हूँ from LA Girl to uplift my features. So I need to place this in the higher areas of my face, like below my cheekbones, my bridge of my nose and forehead and under eyes. Before I move towards the water area of my eyes for applying kajal or any eyeshadow, मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा loose powder use करूँगी ताकि मेरा foundation ख़राब ना हो if there is any fallout from the eyeshadow. I will be using a blue color below the waterline. Taking a kajal which is from Color Bar, I will just apply kajal in the outer corner of my eyes. Taking some highlighter in a pencil brush, I will just highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Very fluffy brush, I will just dust off the excess powder that I have. For contouring, I am using Sugar palette. So taking the contour powder, I will be placing this below the cheekbone, side of my nose, jawline of my face to give a sculpted look. Please blend it well and just don't place it. Give a lifted look. मैं अभी यहाँ पे ब्लश यूज़ कर रही हूँ ओवर द कंटूरिंग एरिया. Now using a fan brush, I will apply the highlighter on the lifted areas of the face where light usually reflects. To set all this, I will be using a makeup spray from Faces Canada. I'm having a bold eyes, so I'm keeping the lips very nude to balance my look. So now I am done with the makeup, so this is my final look. If you like this Navami makeup look और जल्दी ही मिलते हैं मेरे next video में which is going to be really very exciting, and please like, subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.